Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'm just getting a cloth. I dribbled on myself. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas that's got nothing on it. I put some black paint on each corner just to make sure the corners were done on. I don't mind if I get a little bit of space there, so right, what have I got? I've got purple, yellow, red, black and white, and I've already poured out 5 little tiny cups, and they're in no order, no specific order, so I'm just going to pour this last little cup, and just as I pick them up. And I want to do multiple flip cup on here, and I'm just wondering if I should put a little bit of black in each one, but I don't know that I will. Oh, some white in that one maybe. Right, you've got white. So what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 flips. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below, show more under this video, and each of the colours except for the black and white have 4 drops of silicone in them, which is OGX, but I've also put some of this Lenny by Boyle clear gloss varnish, and I put some into each of the colours including the black and white, so I'm just happy to see if that makes sort of any difference at all. I have my piece of paper to do the flippy. If you don't squeeze it all out. Right, and then on this end, in the middle, and then about there and there, I'd say. One, and lucky last. Oops, oh well. There we go. So they're on. Come back. I just give them a little minute to go down. And I'll start with these wanderers, I think. Ooh, I'm getting cells there already. So that didn't work out very well. Not to worry, I'll just go ahead. Thank you. Oops, really chucked that one over, didn't I? That's what a mess. Not very clever, Kate. Alright, we'll just do them any old willy-nilly. Okay, so we have some cells arriving already. Where's my black? There it is. And the knife, because I'd like to put some black along here, I think. Better move that white out of the way. I just know what's going to happen there. And some black along this line. That'll be good. And I think some black between them. And you. My dog's over there snoring. Such is life. And it went this bloke too, I think. Right. Let's see if we can get some negative spaces maybe, or not, whatever. Alright. A bit more black here. I think this one's got enough. Alright, now I'm going to tilt him and see what happens. So I've got rather a lot of canvas here, so I think I'll take it down this way first. Turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. Got some pretty colours there and too much paint. To the centre. And down here. Here. Well, I think I've got too much red. What I might do though first is run some more black through. See what happens. Now it's starting to look nice. I'm going to bring this orange down, which looks rather nice. So it's not doing anything much for me. I don't know what you think of it, but I think what I might do now, wipe my hands off in a second, and I might do, so here we go with a mono green core. So just want some black and white. Crows are yelling outside. Nasty noise. Alright, let's see what happens here. So one thing's a failure and another thing looks like it's going to work. Go figure. Bring that over. then I have some of the undercolours coming through, which makes me happy. And I don't want that big cell there. Go away, big cell. Right, just move these out of the way, wipe my hands off. And then I'm going to torch to see what I have or what we have, and I'm interested in this one now. This is really nice. And where's my torch? Oh, gooey hands. Here's my torch. Okay, well that turned out quite nice. I'm very happy with that. And the colours from underneath are coming through in the cells here. The lovely lines. There was no silicone in the black or the white, so the lovely lines for the spiral, or the pour, and then I've got these colours coming through with some amazing shapes in some of the cells. But this cell here is white, black and pinky red, as there's a few of them, and I rather like it. And there's cells all along the side. See? Oh yes, that's really pretty. Alright, so I'll bring you down to have a look, and I'll have to stop painting. I've got to clean up and go to work. Alright, here we go. So there's the cells along the edge. Take you out. There we go. Get a better focus. And so the recipes for the paints and the pouring mediums and what have you are down below under Show More. Also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and the edges are really pretty on this one. Alright. And you're more than welcome to come over to Australia Art Dreaming and join us over there. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more into Facebook, or videos that is. And I really, really do like this one. It's coming up beautifully. Look at that cell. That's a little beauty, that one. It's, let me think, how big would that be? I don't know, probably about the size of a US 1 cent or an Australian 5 cent. Or the old Australian 1 cent, if you remember those. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and give this one the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.